Yeah, it's been a great experience here at the college. You really grow a bond with your teachers and your fellow classmates, and you challenge yourself on an academic level as well as a physical level. And the Urban Forestry program here, it's top level. It's the next level of taking your passion for tree care and taking your passion for the sciences to a next level and combining all those in a certain way. It's a very physically active program. So we're outside, we're doing soil samples, we're climbing trees almost every single day of the week. We're using chainsaws and learning those techniques, and it's going to make that transition easier from school to the job. So it definitely met my expectations and surpassed that. I have a job secured. I'm from Burlington, so around in the Toronto area, and the demand for arborists and people with the experience that we do coming out of college, it's needed down there. So I had 4 job offers, and weighing those options, it's sometimes harder than if you have one option, but there's so many jobs out there, and it comes down to a personal ambition. If you want to succeed in this industry, you will go beyond that. So.